Hi and welcome to CCNA routing class. In this section, we're going to discuss about the connected and static route. Before that, we will understand the topology and connectivity which going to be used for entire CCNA routing. So we're going to cover a connected route, static route. Then we will move to the RIP dynamic routing protocol, RIP OSPF, EIGRP. Then we will complete with the BGP protocol. And then we will start for the advanced routing for CCNP, which going to be covered in GNS and the rack which is installed already. So let's quickly understand the topology. For that, we're going to cover the entire CCNA routing classes and topic. So we have installed packet tracers. So in this section, we will build the topology with the different router. We're going to select 3 router, and the router 1, 2 and 3 we will give the nomenclature accordingly. So let's select first router 4331 model. Then we have second router 1941 model, and the third router is 829 series ISR. So first router we have ISR. You can see ISR 4300 series router, second router 1941 series router, and third we have 800 series. You can see 829 IR 800 series. So I'm giving this router name as router 3, and I'm going to save this host name as router 3, and the remaining follow the same as router 1 9040 series router, and the third router 800 series router I'm going to name as R2. Okay, the host name is clear now. So I'm going to connect with the router 3. There is 2 LAN going to be connect router, and the rest of router having single LAN connected. For router 3, the purpose of connect 2 LAN so that we can get the example of connected route. So it's going to separate to 2 broadcast domains. So I'm going to select the switch 2960 LAN switch. So I will press switch 0 1 2 3, total 3 switch, because 4 LAN we're going to connect. 2 LAN with the layer router 3, and the remaining everyone having 1 LAN. So router 1 having switch 1 LAN, router 2 having switch 2, router 3 having switch 4 and 3. I'm going to give the name as a switch 4, and the host name will be, so let's give the host name as per the LAN. These are the, so if the LAN from the switch 1 having LAN 1, host name will be LAN 1, and follow the same sequence. Switch 2 will be LAN 2. So I am giving host name LAN 2, and then same way switch 3 having, we have LAN 3, and last switch 4 having LAN 4. So accordingly we will select the nomenclature of. Today we're going to, in this section, we're going to complete the connectivity and the physical structure of the topology. So we have router 1, 2, 3, 4300s, 9041 series router, and we have 800 series router. So let's select some PC in device. So every LAN I have selected one PC. Okay, and then we have server. So every LAN having one server. That's all. So let's place it proper way with their name. So PC 0, again I'm going to give this PC 4, and the server, meanwhile I will give you the name of server 4 so that there's no confusion. Let's select server 1, it will go to the server 2, it will go switch to server 4, it will go to the near toward the PC 4, and then followed by the same we have, and then server 3 switch 3, PC 1 it will, and PC 3. Okay, so meanwhile let's save this topology, cancel this, let's save this, save as this is, and this is routing topology, routing top. And now we can connect. For connection, let's see the everything in here about that. Let's do connectivity. For connectivity we have to check the module do we have. So here router 3, if I will go, I need to LAN connectivity. So let me zoom in. Do we have two LAN connectivity, one WAN connectivity, and another one will be the serial one. So let's connect with the 4 Ethernet switch. So all the purpose going to be solved for this. So we have to switch off, power off the device. Then we have to place with this module or Ethernet module. Second, we have selected to serial card module, and I'm going to switch on the router. Go to the next 1400, 9014, 100. I'm going to switch off. I'm going to zoom in. So again we have 4 Ethernet connectivity and 2 serial link connectivity, and switch on the router. Router 3 we have, router 2 we have. You zoom in, you can see there is a 4 Ethernet one. There is no serial connectivity I'm going to connect with. The only serial connectivity between the R1 and R3. So let's complete the connectivity. So we have serial connectivity. So I'm going to connect with the serial 0/2/0 to 0/0/0. This is one serial connectivity. And for the same router connectivity, do we need crossover? So I will select from my module. The module is start from 0/1/0 1 2 3, these 4 module. I'm going to select from that module, and the same way I will select from So we have inbuilt 2 gig 0/00/1. I will select for WAN connectivity this, and one is the uplink to the gig 0/1. All the gig 0/1 will be the uplink to their router. I will select from my module which I have connected gig 0/1 again to my module. Okay, same way we will connect the uplink to the one of the gig ethernet. Connectivity done almost. No, because we need here the straight through cable. So let's cross with these connectivity goes as straight through cable. This will connect to gig 0/1 selected module, and then we have selected module with the geo all the uplink 0/11, and we have last one. Okay, and the rest of connectivity we can select with the fast ethernet server will be the last one, the uplink, everyone having server with the 0/24, and the PC will be 0/1. The same pattern I'm going to follow for the PC will be 0/1 0/24 for the server. This will be the PC one, and then last 2/24 going to. So connectivity is completed here. The physical connectivity. Let's review about the connectivity, how we have connectivity, so that we will process with the next step. So you can see we have switch 2, that LAN 2 with the router 2, switch 2 connected to router 2 with the gig 3 interface, and the same way we have switch 3 with the router 3 connected with the 2 LAN switch. You are able to see this. Very clear now, separated together. Let's make it little down so that the interface are clear. Okay, now I can drop down little. Okay, so we are able to see this is very clear and specific. So topology is clear, so I'm going to stop here. Now we're going to give the assign the IP. So for IP you have to understand we have IP nomenclature in that. So let's switch on and we will assign the IP for the WAN connectivity, the connectivity between the router. So before that I'm going to control S, I'm going to save my topology. So let's go to CLI. So I'm in router 3. So with router 3 we have model of 4300 series router. You can see iOS XE mode this is, and now we have interface. There is a 4 interface, 2 LAN connectivity, 1 Ethernet, WAN connectivity, 1 serial connectivity. So let's quickly check. So IP interface brief will give brief is giving us, so we have 3 interface up and serial also up. So we can see 3 interface are up connected. We're going to give the description and other configuration we will do, and today we're going to check only the interface connectivity, and we will prepare the L2 topology are up and working fine. So let's go for router 1. We are in serial, sorry, router 2. This is router 2, and we will check. So IP interface brief. So I can see we have connectivity here. We have connectivity here. Gig 1, gig 2, and gig 3. Gig 2 is down. Rest all looks good. Sorry, this is router. Let's go for router. So we have gig 1 is up. Okay, gig 3 is up, and then wireless one of the section is up. We are not worried about this. We have gig Ethernet 2. So let's do manual set no set interface gig /2 and do no set. It still is down. Let's see from router 1 what is the configuration. We are in router 1. From this side also it's supposed to be up. So we have interface. You can see we have serial, we have gig 0/, and if you see is a gig 0/0 is connected to this 0/0/1 is connected. So we have router 1 connected to router 2 with the interface gig 0/0, and we will do no set, and let's see the interface are up or not. So IP interface brief, the my interface are up. I will do right. Gig 0/0 is up, which is connected to the interface. You can see this is also up, so I can see. So IP interface brief, all 3 interface are up. Okay, we will do right command so that whenever it will be up, whenever I'm going to switch on, it's supposed to be. Now come to the all the interface. Router 3 and router 2 are up. Let's check here. Router 1, the gig is still is down. We have gig 0/0 connected to the router 2, whereas the gig 0/1 connected to the LAN switch. That's LAN switch 1 because this is router 1. So we have config terminal, and we're going to do, so here Ethernet connectivity administrative down. So I'm going to configure by default it administrative down. So gig 1/0, sorry, 0/1 will be no set, and my L2 will be, let's check it's up. So IP interface brief, and I can see both the interface including serial, all 3 interface So L2 connectivity are up. We're going to save this topology. In next class, I'm going to configure the IP as per IP nomenclature. Those who are not know the IP nomenclature, please go through the watch the entire previous video for the IP nomenclature, how you going to configure and what is the LAN IP series, what is the router between, what will be the series between the router, and how we going to select the subnet. I'm going to cover in next class. See you. Bye bye.